Looking for a DeFi platform that combines spot and perpetual trading with innovative liquidity solutions? Thena Finance might be just what you need. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Let's check it out. Ladies and gentlemen, you might be looking for that DeFi platform that gives you everything you want. But does every exchange help you do trading with different liquidity solutions? I know you're in love with this swap or that swap, but you might find something unique at Thena Finance. This is not your typical decentralized exchange. We're going to jump in, but I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. So what is here? You can do different types of trading, spot trading, perps trading, all of the really cool things. And you can see right here, Thena in numbers, they've done over a billion in volume. That's pretty amazing. So they're not just a DEX that popped up overnight. They're built on BNB, and you can do all your favorite type of trading. What type? Spot and perpetuals. And why? You might ask, why is this? Because they want to be the native liquidity layer for DeFi on BNB, and they want to give deep liquidity and efficient trading infrastructure. And the way to do that is combining innovative features, governance, community-first approach, and DeFi. You can see the whole ecosystem right here, BINA, Gamma, Algebra, and insights. This is huge. So how does the liquidity work? We got the liquidity layer. It utilizes a unique B3x3 model, allowing DeFi protocols to incentivize liquidity and influencing the distribution of their native token. Yes, it is and you are the holders. Got you there with a joke. Hopefully it's funny, but yes, you are the holders, and the model enables the protocols to implement dynamic strategies for managing liquidity, attracting more providers, and enhancing the TVL within the platform.
Feel like you make amazing content, but it's buried in the YouTube algorithm? You want to rank to the top fast. You want to dominate your niche. Let me introduce you YTRanker and show you how it's done. First, we'll open up an incognito window so we can keep our browsing history fresh. So we'll set our language to English, our country to the USA, and let's go ahead and search for some terms here. Let's try proxy for you. We can see I'm at the top. And then proxy for you tutorial. Here it is. My video is right at the top, and that's because of the strategy. Ready to stop blending in and start leading in your niche? Visit ytranker.net. where visibility meets real results. Let's get back to the video.
And you also get governance. Imagine this. You come into a swap, or you come to an exchange, and you can go ahead and say, hey, I'm part of the governance. I want to push this in the right direction. So the token allows you to do so much more than just hold it or stake. Not only that, you can be part of the decentralized governance that is part of Thena. You can use it for transactions, staking, governance. You can even earn rewards and participate in decisions that push this forward with different upgrades, and the staking mechanism promotes long-term engagement. On top of that, they partnered with big protocols, as you saw right here, Venus being one of them, Protocol, Lido, Algebra, Gradient. And its role as a key enabler of innovation happens with the BNB ecosystem. These collaborations just make Thena's offerings amazing, and they contribute to the growth of the adoption of the platform. So let's go ahead and take a little bit of a look and see how it looks. So what you'll need to do is make a Web3 wallet. If you've not done so, I recommend installing one of these. It's following along. And then if you have MetaMask, which is what I like to use, you can use any other wallet, simply go ahead and connect it here. You'll see this notification, and you want to go ahead and approve. Then you can go ahead here, rid of these. You can see the details here. Add BNB. You can simply go ahead and connect it. Or you can do Phantom, and we hit connect here. And here you can see it's connected. Or we can do Trust Wallet. So we can see Trust Wallet here. I have connected it. So use whichever wallet you like. Now we can go ahead and play with spot trade. So you can see the little D app here, a TWAP we can see here, and also limit. And we can see the trading right here, pools, the dashboard, the NFTs, rewards you get, voting. So yes, you do get the vote, pairs, different analytics. I mean, there's a ton more stuff. Governance. I think that one is very, very interesting. So you can actually see here how this works based on a community-driven consensus, proposals, and even the leaderboard, and the story and different protocols. That is Thena right here. I'm very, very impressed with this. Haven't seen a decentralized exchange quite like it. I think it is a unique one in its kind with DeFi. Not only that, it's distributed over 25 million in total revenue holders, showcasing its commitment, and it offers institutional grade solutions, bridging the gap between DeFi, TradFi, and integrating real-world assets even. So if you're interested in a DeFi platform that offers innovative liquidity solutions, community-driven approaches, Thena Finance is worth exploring. So dive in the ecosystem and see how it can enhance your DeFi experience. I think you'll really enjoy it and you'll find it unique. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button to know when I post more videos. Questions or comments, let me know down below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.